This nigga.
Yo, this shit hard when they in like a track. Fetty is on the mixtape, you know what I'm saying?
Fetty up there.
So he
Fetty
gotta
up there.
support this shit.
Hey man, shout out to the BOE niggas.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to
Malachi.
Black Onyx.
Entertainment.
Yeah, man.
Black Onyx
It's a
on Chief is
movement.
Black
Hey
Onyx,
man, I
like
kind of
this.
feel bad we ain't got Malachi and News on the mixtape, but they gonna be on the next.
Yeah,
They gonna be on the next when they come out in March. Goddamn.
You know,
Tell nobody. Tell nobody.
Oh shit, bro.
yep. So I'm saying, man, I'd love to see what y'all think of the mixtape. I hope all of y'all that's watching
Feedback.
this video download the shit. You know what I'm saying? Talk to us on Facebook. We got a fan page, my Chief page. Everybody's on
Twitter.
I'm pretty sure you guys know our Twitter if you're looking at, you know what I'm saying, this fucking video.
You know our
Just let me know
Facebook
something,
at
You know what I'm
least.
saying? If we gotta step it up, we hot, we whack, anything. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
And
Preach.
you got something to say,
You
my
know what I'm
nigga?
saying? I ain't got much to say. I'm just chilling right now. You know, I'm thinking about these verses I got left to write and to finish up for the mixtape. You know, that's what it is. I work hard, got off of work. You know what I'm saying? I'm still up working, but that's how the grind is. You know what I'm saying?
Still at work. I like that shit. Man.
This is how Chief
Oh,
did
yes.
it.
Hey man, and if you ain't got a Twitter,
You're lame.
kill yourself. if you don't have a Twitter, this what you need to do. Go make one and go add us. Simple as that.
Follow
First.
us.
Add us first.
Easy as that.
See myself.
You gotta make. Oh my bad.
That too.
So, yeah. It's about that.